Good vibes, everyone! For the recipe for today, I will be making chocolate banana bread. Imagine biting into a slice of this delectable cake. The aroma of freshly baked bananas fills the air, while your taste buds are greeted with a burst of luscious chocolate flavor. The cake is perfectly moist, with the sweetness of bananas balancing out the richness of the chocolate. Whether you're a fan of bananas, or chocolate, or both, this cake is a match made in dessert heaven. This is a perfect treat for any occasion, and is sure to leave anyone craving for more. You won't believe how simple and enjoyable this recipe is. Join me in the kitchen and let's make chocolate banana bread. Using spoon or fork, cut bananas into pieces. On a mixing bowl, add butter and sugar. You can use white or brown sugar. Cream these two together on medium speed. Put to medium eggs and continue mixing at medium speed, just until combined. Add the bananas into the mixing bowl and mix. Add vanilla, mix and set aside. Sift all dry ingredients, all-purpose flour. Unsweetened cocoa powder. Baking soda. Sifting busts up any clumping present and aerates the dry ingredients. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix at medium speed just until incorporated. Fold in 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. Grease the loaf pan with oil or butter. Put a parchment paper in the pan and let it hang over the sides, so you can easily remove the banana bread later from the pan. Transfer all of the batter to the loaf pan. Use a spatula to spread it evenly on the pan. Sprinkle chocolate chips on top of the batter. Bake it on a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in top bread comes out clean. Lift the chocolate banana bread out of the loaf pan. Cut the banana bread. Please don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next videos.